first I get to my $1 a day, and then I get to $10 a day, and then I get to 100, and eventually I want to get to over $1,000 a day with the whole Amazon commissions affiliate thing. What I started doing now, and I talked about it before, is I started doing product review videos for Amazon. And I got a little bit smart after you told me about to do the Amazon thing. By the way, an update, I hired a freelancer from Upwork. Her name is Jonna Bell. She's from the Philippines. And she is now creating scripts for me following the format
Okay.
that I told her using my ChatGPT 4, which is pretty good. And she's really good. So now I have my whole setup and I don't have to do the scripts anymore. I have my video editor. He's doing pretty well. And I have my thumbnail guy. So everything is like the system is working. Now I have the system. All I have to do now
Yeah.
is just record myself. And if I didn't want to record myself, for example, if you guys are listening to this and you're like, damn, I would like to do it as well, you can do that. You just need a little bit of money to have a small creator who can.
And what about faceless then within this niche?
Well, I don't know about faceless, to be honest. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either. Because like if you look back at your first videos, you always also focused on like information, like even
Yeah.
if the information is like a little bit of bullshit, but like information is information. So if you can still provide that information without a face, could be possible. But I think with a face, with a creator, with a person, it gives more trust,
Yeah.
more authority. Yeah, I think it's better. But I wonder if face is also like
You can
as strong.
probably
I don't
do
know.
faceless, but I feel like with time, the competition increases in all these
Yeah.
different niches. And so this specific niche, which is like product review, like Amazon product review videos, right? Like before you could get away with like, shitty AI voice, some B-roll footage one after the other, and that's okay, right? But I feel like with time you need to become better and better and better, which is normal because
Yeah.
like the space
Otherwise, other people will.
yeah, otherwise other people will, like I like doing, right? Like for example, if you take two videos, one fully AI voice B-roll and stuff, and then you take, for example, my video, like my videos will probably outcompete them because they're just better quality and they're easier on the eyes as well when you click on them. So and the good news is that I actually now have some proof, some data to back it up. So I sent you the screenshots this week.
Yeah. I've seen it.
It's so weird, but
And the commissions as well.
and the commissions as well. So let me actually walk you guys through what happened. So I started posting these videos, right? These Amazon product review videos, like best soundbar for PS5, for example. And that's one of the videos that is working really well for me. If you guys search it up, maybe you'll be able to find the video on my second channel. There's going to be a big spike now in retention when I said this part, by the way. Anyway,
click on his link and buy it.
yeah, click on my link and buy something on Amazon. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. But the videos get pushed in browse. Not one video, not two, but many videos get pushed in browse, which is so weird. There's like
Why?
I don't know why. I've been thinking about why. Maybe the quality is good. Maybe whatever. Maybe it's a 2020.
No, I mean like people are often looking like, especially when they're buying something expensive, they want to compare as many things as possible. So people probably watch other soundbar videos, and you're just get recommended in the sidebar. I think it makes sense.
Could be.
Yeah.
Yeah. But anyway, I'm getting like pushed after 1, 2, 3 days into browse like a lot, like by 500 to 800 views every 48 hours. They die a little, like they die afterwards.
Yeah.
But for example, like let me actually walk you through exactly the numbers I have here. So best soundbar for PS5. Okay, the video seems to be dead now as well, but
yeah, welcome to browse. Yeah.
500.
That's why search is best.
500 views every 48 hours. 60% search, 37% browse.
Perfect. Still search. That's nice.
Yeah, still search. 16,500 impressions, 3.3% CTR. And if I look at the reach, best soundbar 900, those are kind of the terms. But yeah, a lot of these videos get pushed. So let's see. I don't know what this is, but yeah,
you got some commissions, so it's somehow working.
Exactly, the commissions are working. So as soon as Like for example, now I already have $10.43, which is not much, but it's more than zero, right? So
Yeah, but you're also just starting out with this concept. So it's now just a matter of volume and getting those videos ranked. And then you will start earning commission every day. So it makes a lot of
I
sense.
think so, yes. On the 21st of December, I had a commission of $6.47. 24th was 11 cents. Then 26th December, 82 cents. So it's gonna grow. Like I'm pretty confident it's gonna
Gonna compound.
grow
Yeah.
with the more volume I push to it. But it's very exciting. I really like it. So like if I get first I get to my $1 a day, and then I get to $10 a day, and then I get to 100, and eventually I want to get to over $1,000 a day with the whole Amazon commissions affiliate thing.